Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a feature that we've been asked by many customers. So a lot of our customers don't like to use their key to start the car and would prefer to have the push button function, the same as the high-end cars and new vehicles. So this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro that has a regular key for starting. We have removed that function so that car doesn't need to have that key anymore to start, and now we have this wireless key that you can come to the car, press the button with the push, and the car will start. This remote is also a remote starter. So to start the vehicle, we will hold the trunk and the lock button for a few seconds. The system will get the command, and in a few seconds the car will start. We're going to turn off the vehicle now, pressing the same two buttons. The car will turn off. Now we're going to go inside the vehicle and we're going to show you how the push button works. So now we're going to show you the push button function. So like we can see, the push button is drilled in and looks factory clean and nice. This is where the old key used to get in. We put a special cover and makes it look like it was never there. To start the vehicle, we're going to hold the brake. We're going to get an indication that the system recognizes the brake by flashing the red light, and we tap the push button once. Now we can drive. To turn the vehicle off, we will hold the button down. The reason to turn off the vehicle is holding the button and not tapping the same as the factory is because this system is not part of the computer, it's an aftermarket. So we don't want to have any risk that while you're driving, by mistake, you will tap the button. So if you hold in, that means you wanted to turn the vehicle off. Thank you for joining us.